Krypton green. That's right, guys. Krypton green is what we're painting Project LS Extreme. Finally, we don't have to skirt that issue or that color choice. Everyone knows, and we can move on here. I'm getting ready to go right now, work on the cab, get it prepped for paint. I can't wait to spray that color and see how it turns out, the first couple of pieces, and the cab will be one of those first pieces. So once we get that painted, of course, we can get it set back down on this frame. We got a couple other things, small things to button up in the meantime. But again, big thanks to Send It Steve. Helped us out a lot. We did pick up quite a few subscribers. So if you're one of those and you're new to the channel, feel free to go back and look at my other videos. But in short, we have this frame off build of the S10 Extreme truck, Project LS Extreme. It has a 5.3 with a Texas speed cam, 5-speed trans, 8.5-inch 10 bolt, and we took this to the bare frame, sandblasted epoxy primer paint. It's got a charcoal metallic paint on the frame. We're getting ready to build a custom, fab up a 3-inch stainless steel exhaust system. We're still waiting on a couple parts. But this is going to be a really sweet truck. We also have this one we just got in not long ago, which is a nice clean stock Extreme. It has a bad 4.3 in it right now, so it's probably gonna, we haven't decided exactly what we're going to do, but we're probably going to do something with that. We have this 69 Camaro. As soon as this truck's done, that one is next on the list for, we have a bunch of sheet metal work we need to do to it. We have this 69 Camaro over here. It's a Pro Touring. Everything's aftermarket on this car. This car is like a really nice high-end car. It needs to be, we're going to work on it when we can, and definitely we're going to get going on this one too. So LS Extreme, this car will be started as soon as that's done. Or we might even pick at it a little bit in the meantime. Anyway, we also have a 2004 2500 HD pickup that I actually bought new and put a lift on. It's got a 6-inch bulletproof lift kit. It does have a rear mount STS turbo system on. I just upgraded the turbo this past year to a 78 millimeter Turbonetics turbo. This truck so far has won a 12.1 in the quarter. And this year we will have this truck into the 11s. So we have that. We also have a 2017 Camaro SS, and that's actually where we got the color choice for this. It is Krypton green. So we have a lot going on, and there'll be a lot of other things that we mix in with this. So if you're a new subscriber, that's where we're at, and let's get going on this. Here's the cab we're using, and we got a good start on the body work. This section here, we had a slight mishap before we pulled the motor and trans out of this truck, which is the truck we're using. This is the frame. It's sandblasted and painted and all that. But before we did that, we had the 4.3 in it, and we were having a little fun, and the tire exploded without the bed on, so the tire actually came up and hit the cab. So we had to do some hammer and dolly work and then skim it with a skim coated body filler. So we're looking pretty good now. We need to get the rest of this cab scuffed down, get some primer sprayed on, and then we can start blocking it down. All right, we got some good prep going on this cab. Just about ready for some primer. A little bit more prep, a little more sanding. Do a nice cleanup. All right, guys, we're going to end it in this garage with the chassis. Again, if you're a new subscriber and your first time you're tuning in, maybe welcome to the channel. Hopefully, we can provide some entertaining content for you. And if you are a new subscriber, you're probably a fan of S10, so we shouldn't have an issue with that. We have them all around here. So anyway, so hopefully we can make some really good progress on this project LS Extreme this week. We do have a bunch of parts coming in this week, some exhaust parts and some other parts for it, and we should be able to make some really good progress, hopefully. Weather depending, it is supposed to get brutally cold towards the end of the week, end of the week. So hopefully we can make some really good progress on the paintwork too. So thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.